Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to another video. So in this video today I'm gonna show you how to host or how to deploy a Python script that uses Selenium and WebDriver in a platform called Heroku. If you don't know what is Heroku, Heroku is a cloud hosting platform that can host different applications, scripts, websites that uses different languages like Python, JavaScript, Java, PHP, and lots of other languages. This platform is very popular and I've used it a lot, and this platform has a free trial or a free version that and you can create up to 5 apps for free. And this is the platform that I'm going to use today. But before starting this video, if you are new in this channel, please make sure to like and subscribe to my channel because lots of other videos related to programming are coming up in this channel. Let's go. Okay, welcome back and let's start with this video. So this is the website of the platform and this is the Heroku platform. You need to sign up or log in. I have an account and I just need to log in this platform. So I click on login. So as you can see, I have 4 apps running in the Heroku, and I have one another space for creating another app because I'm using the free version of the Heroku. So now I'm gonna create a Python script that uses Selenium just to show you how to deploy and how to create it. So I'm gonna create a folder in desktop and call it Selenium app. And I'm gonna open the Sublime text as a code editor, and I'm gonna drag and drop the folder inside the code editor. And the first thing you need to do is to create a Python file, the main Python file. And I'm gonna create a new file inside this folder and I'm gonna save it. I'm gonna save it as app.py. And inside this file I'm going to create the script. So the first thing we need to do is to install Selenium because we are going to use Selenium and the app requires Selenium to be installed. So go to the command line or the terminal. I opened command line and now we need to navigate to the folder in the desktop. So go to desktop first. Now go to Selenium app folder. Now we are here. So now we need to install the Selenium, and to install it we can install it using pip, and we just need to type pip install Selenium. Enter, and now the Selenium is installed. As you can see, I have requirements already specified because I have installed it before. And now we can go back to code editor and create our script. So the first thing we need to do is to import the WebDriver. So from Selenium, import WebDriver. Now we need to create some option for our for WebDriver, and I'm creating a variable called OP, and this OP is going to be WebDriver dot Chrome option. I'm using Chrome because Heroku supports only Chrome, and this is why I'm using Chrome. So after creating the Chrome option, we need to add the binary location of the Chrome binary. So to specify the binary location, we need to use option dot binary location, and this binary location is going to equal the variable Google Chrome bin, but this variable we are going to find using environment variables. So to use environment variables, we need to use os and os.environ.get, and this variable is called Google Chrome bin. So Google Chrome bin. Please make sure to type this in capital, because if you type in lowercase, it's not going to work. Now, as you can see here, we have used the OS, but we didn't import it. So to use OS, we need to import it, and we can import it here on top. Import OS. Now we need to add some arguments, and the first argument I'm going to add is the handless mode, because we don't need to open the Chrome window, and we just need to use it in silent mode in the background and not in the Chrome window. So to add this feature, we need to type op.add argument, and inside this function we're gonna put -- handless. Okay. Now another argument that we are gonna add is no sandbox. So this is an argument that is required by Heroku. No sandbox. We're gonna add also another argument, disable dev sh usage. And we are done with arguments and with the options, and now we need to create the driver. So to create the driver, we create a variable that is going to equal the WebDriver.Chrome, because we're going to use the Chrome driver, and inside this Chrome driver we need to put the executable path. Executable path is required to find the executable file, executable driver for the Chrome. So we're not going to have it locally, but we are going to find this driver using environment variables, as same as we used here. So to find it, we need to type executable path equals to os.environ.get, and now we're gonna get the variable called Chrome driver path. So this is the Chrome driver path, and we need to type like this in capital. Now after typing the executable path, we need to type the options. We need to an attribute called Chrome, in an attribute called Chrome options, and this is going to equal to op. Something I misspelled here is the Chrome option here. This need to be Chrome options, not option. So please added this line here. So now we are done. We have created the driver, and now we can use the driver for anything we want. But I'm just going to get a request from the google.com or youtube.com, and I'm going to paste or to print the HTML file of this website, just to show you how this is working. So To do this, we need to type driver.get, and inside get we need to type the website that we want. So I'm just typing youtube.com just to show you. youtube.com, and now I can print the HTML of the youtube.com just to make sure that the script is working. So to print this, we need to type driver.pageSource. Page source. Okay, now let me check real quick if we have everything good here. Okay, I think is everything good, and we can save this file. And now we can go to Heroku because we need to deploy now. So now go back to Heroku here, and we are going to create a new app by clicking on the new here. Create a new app and put a name here. I'm just typing selenium test YouTube. Okay, this name is available, and now we can click on create. Okay, now we need to go in the settings because we need to add some build packs, and build packs are the languages and the technologies that the script is going to use. So the first one is the Python. Just click on Python and save changes. Now we need to add the Chrome and the Chrome binary. So to add these both, these binaries are not here, and these build packs are not here, but we are going to get them from GitHub links. So I have two links here of GitHub, and the first one is Heroku build pack Chrome, Google Chrome, and we can just copy this link here. I'm going to also provide the links in the description, so you can find it there. Okay, let me paste again, and after pasting just click save changes. Now Heroku collected all the files from that GitHub repository and put in our project, and now we need to click again add a build pack because we need to add CHROMEDRIVER build pack. So copy the link, go back to Heroku, paste, and save changes. Now we have 3 build packs here. Something else we need to do is to reveal config vars. So now as you can see, if you remember before, we used the CHROMEDRIVER bin, the CHROMEDRIVER path, and Google Chrome bin. These variables we need to put the variables here because we can't use them if you don't put here. So I have saved the keys in a file here. I'm going to also provide these 2 keys in the description of this video, so you can find them there. And now just copy the CHROMEDRIVER path key and paste it here. Now go back again and copy the path and paste it here. So now click add, and we also need to add another key that is here. This is the Google Chrome bin key, and now paste it here, go back again, copy path, make sure to don't have any space here. Okay, now click add, and we are all done with the settings. Now, the last thing we need to do is just to deploy our script. So click on deploy. And to deploy our script, you need to have Heroku CLI, the Heroku CLI installed in your system. I have already installed it, but if you don't, you can go to Google and search Heroku download. You need to click the first link and you need to download. Scroll down and download for Mac or for Windows. Choose your version and you are good to go. But I have already installed it. Now we need to go back to the terminal. So here in terminal, I'm making a little large. Okay. So we need to be in the project directory here. As you can see, we have the files here, and now we need to log in with Heroku. After installing the Heroku CLI, you need to log in, and but first, before logging in, you need to restart. If you have the command line opened, you need to close and reopen again, because this is not going to work. And now we can type Heroku login. Enter, and press any key to open the browser to log in or Q to exit. So press any key you want. I'm pressing space. Okay, now the browser is pop-ups and you just need to click login. All you need to do is just click login. So go back in the terminal, and as you can see, now we are logged in as my mail here. Now, something else that we didn't add in our project are two files required by Heroku. So we need to absolutely add these files. So the first one is a proc file. So create a new file and save it as a proc file name. Proc file, just proc file like this. And inside here, we need to put the web process and Python app.py. So type this inside proc file and save it. Now something else we need is requirements.txt file, and to generate this file we need to go to terminal and type pip freeze greater than sign and requirements.txt. Requirements.txt. Okay, now enter, and if we go back to code editor, we see requirements.txt here and all the dependencies here. So close this out. Now we are good to deploy. Now close this and go to deploy again. So the first thing is login. We are logged in now. Now we need to go to the project, but we are already in the project. So now we need to type git init. So copy that command and paste it here. Git init. Go back again, copy the next command, paste in the terminal. Okay, now go back and now we need to type this command here, git add all. Copy the next command, git commit. We have all the files created, and the finishing command is git push Heroku master. So git push. Now as you can see, the Heroku detected the Python app and is installing Python, installing pip, installing SQLite. SQLite is a database, but For now we are not using a database, but Heroku installed it as a required. Now all the dependencies and modules are installing. All packages here. As you can see, here is the Selenium. Now the packages are successfully installed. Now, as you can see here, the Heroku detected the Google Chrome app. So our script is using Google Chrome and WebDriver of Chrome and is installing it. So we need to wait for it to be installed. Okay, my script now is deployed, and you need to see this message here, verifying deploy and done. If you don't see this and you see any other message like an error message or anything else, you need to check again and go back with the video and check all the code. Maybe you have misspelled anything. So now I have the Python script deployed in the Heroku, and now all we need to do is to test it. So to test it, we need to run python app.py in the Heroku, and to do this we need to type Heroku run and python app.py. This command is going to run in our script that is deployed online, the python app.py, and if this is working, it is going to print all the HTML page of youtube.com. So now it's connecting to Heroku app. Okay, as you can see, my my terminal is like crazy right now because our script is printing all the HTML page of youtube.com. So this means that our script is working and our application deployed in Heroku platform is working, because it is printing all the HTML page of youtube.com. So it is very, very big, and I'm going to break it now. Okay, here we have all the HTML code of youtube.com, and this means that our app and our script is working successfully. So this is what I wanted to show you today. Hope you like this video, hope you like all of my tutorials, and hopefully this is going to help you in your projects. You can deploy other apps just like this app that uses Selenium and CHROMEDRIVER. For example, you can do something else here, but I just printed the HTML code of the youtube.com just to show you how this works. So hope you like this video. Please make sure to like and subscribe to my channel, because lots of other videos are coming in my channel, and I see you in the next video. Peace.